How often have you found yourself at the end of the week and not have accomplished what you set out to do? As a nonprofit executive or development director, it happens all of the time. You get sidetracked talking about a staff situation, technology issue, or program matter, for example. It's debatable if each of these interruptions need your attention. Disruptions are not good when trying to stay focused on your fundraising goals to raise significant dollars for your nonprofit. So, how do you stay focused on accomplishing your top fundraising priorities? Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. I provide nonprofit leaders with a roadmap to raise more money through large gifts. As we come to an end of a quarter, which of your quarterly goals have you not moved the needle on? Here's something to consider to help you get moving in the right direction. Before each Monday rolls around, write down the 3 most important tasks or goals you want to accomplish for the week. Better yet, write down the names of 3 donors you want to take action on before the week is out. Maybe you need to send a note to a donor, call to ask a donor for advice, or set up a meeting with a funder. Schedule time on your calendar for this to happen. If necessary, put a note on your door or let staff and family know you need the next several hours to complete important tasks. Michael Hyatt always says, "What gets scheduled gets done." Take action daily and weekly to build strong relationships with your current and potential major donors. At the end of the week, celebrate because you know you are moving toward accomplishing your fundraising goals, one action at a time. Certainly, you want to schedule time to focus on activities that, in the end, bring big results. Be sure to check out other fundraising tips and strategies at the link here. See you next time. Bye for now.